Hey, what's up? This is Michael. Today's video is about 3+1 best beaches in Malta. Let's get into it. My channel is about traveling. I test flights, hotels, exotic destinations, best beaches. If any of these topics are interesting for you, consider subscribing. Nearly all of these beaches, which I'm going to show you today, are like in the west of Malta. Let's start with number one, Ghajn Bay Beach. Ghajn Bay Beach has lots of water sports, parasailing, jet ski, you name it. Ghajn Tuffieha Bay, Riviera Beach. It's maybe not small, it's more like narrow, but it's like way less crowded than the Ghajn Bay Beach. Usually there's also a lot of people, but everything is like a little bit smaller. You still have chairs and umbrellas for rent. The water is very clear, very nice. And still lots of food choices over there, less than Ghajn Bay, but very nice place to go. There is one sweet spot. If you look over to the right on the video, there's a little bay, there's a little beach part on the right side. If you're early enough, you may make it over there. And number one, Gnejna Bay. It's a small beach, actually maybe even bigger than our number two, but for sure more locals than in all the other beaches. It's a perfect place for snorkeling. It's very nice water, very clear, very beautiful place. Restaurants also available, beach chair and umbrella as well, but limited. And let's come to the +1, which is actually the best place on Malta. It's less beach, but it's probably that what you are searching for. That's why this video is a 3+1. It's called Blue Lagoon. You can reach it actually by bus and ferry. So wherever you are, in which hotel you are, you can catch a bus, which goes for €2 in 2018 around the island. You can reach any place. You can switch the bus, and your ticket is still good. With this bus, you go to the ferry in the northwest of Malta. And then there are like small boat ferries which go to just the Blue Lagoon. There's different kind of ferries. You can reach Gozo or different destinations, but there are everywhere some commercials, come here, go there, do this. There's this Ghajn Bay ferry. If you use that one, you can go there in very different times, like in the morning, in the day, like a little bit later. So you're more free when you go there and when you also want to go back. There are also these organized trips which pick you up in the hotel. You go with a huge ferry, and this goes around the island. You see a little bit more maybe of the island from the water view, and it costs more, and you have an exact time when you have to go back. So it depends on you how you prefer to do that. I suggest the bus and the small ferry, as you are then more free when you want to go and when you like to come back. That was the 3+1 best places, best beaches on Malta. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and give me a thumb up. Thank you. All the best to you. Bye bye.